What's going on? It's ItsJClyde and I am back in Medellin, Colombia. About to give you a quick walkthrough of this Airbnb I have here at the Soul Lifestyle building. It's a 1-bedroom, 1.5 bath apartment unit. So first up, in the living room area, you have a nice couch with the views from the balcony. Nice counter space here, attached to the kitchen, and it's a fully equipped kitchen, so it has pretty much everything you need. Alright, so we go over here to the bedroom. Got a pretty nice sized bed. Got plenty of light. Has the desk area, and another bonus that's pretty rare here in Medellin, it does have AC. Alright, come over here, got a nice sized walk-in closet with a safe. There's plenty of shelf space. Next up, got the full bath here. Has the medicine cabinet so you can store your things. Nice little granite countertops. Alright, let's come over here. Take a look at the half bath. This is when you first enter. It has a little half bath in there. And then in here, little utility closet area. You have a washer. All right, so let's take a look at the balcony. These units are between $75 and $100 a night in the Soul Lifestyle building. It's in Poblado, Medellin. So you can see it has some nice views here. And it also has a rooftop pool, but it's currently closed for maintenance right now. So that's it. 1 bedroom, 1.5 bath, Airbnb, Soul Lifestyle building, Medellin, Colombia. Let's get it.